How to put voice isolation on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to make sure your iPhone uses voice isolation each time you have an incoming call or each time you're putting a call through, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to put voice isolation on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone first. Scroll down and click on accessibility. Now also selected accessibility, scroll down the page, locate audio and visual, and then click on that. So just search through until you see audio and visual, click on that. Then you want to locate hard voice isolation. So if this is disabled, go ahead and enable this. You can see hard isolate as an additional option to enhance dialogue. When used, dialogue is completely isolated for people who need maximum clarity. Other elements of the audio mix will be substantially reduced. Then once you turn on hard voice isolation, you can then hit the power button. Now, each time you have an incoming call on your iPhone, either your regular call or FaceTime call or any other voice call, you pick up the call. Now, to put voice isolation on your phone, just swipe down the phone like this. Here, you just need to locate phone controls. Go ahead and click on that. Then once you selected full control, then you should see the voice isolation selected automatically. You see that? So if you do not have voice isolation to call on your phone via the settings I shared earlier, then it can be on automatic, it can be on standard, but it will never be on wide spectrum. If this is not a FaceTime call, but if it's a FaceTime call, you can just go ahead and select wide spectrum. But to put this call on voice isolation, just make sure you turn on voice isolation here and then you're good to go. So to automatically make sure your voice isolation is added to all calls you have on your iPhone, you want to make sure you had voice isolation under the audio and settings I showed. So that is basically how to put voice isolation on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.